If you're a keen fisherman in the market for a new watch, then consider the Casio WS1500H-1 fish and moon phase digital watch. With a tough exterior, a big LCD display and a 10-year battery, this is a reliable and functional watch with great readability. The main feature this watch will be known for is the two screens up the top right of the dial, which indicate when the best time to go fishing is. This might seem bizarre to some, but you can calculate when the fish will be biting by taking a look at the tide times. Tide times are affected by the gravitational pull of the moon, and what you're looking for as a fisherman is a rising tide. So with that in mind, the screen labelled fish will show a value out of 5, starting with no values highlighted to all 4 values highlighted. The more are filled out, the better the fishing will be, apparently. Now, the little moon phase indicator will show you if it's a new moon, quarter, half, 3/4 or full moon, and you can tell what it is by taking a look at it. If it's fully blacked out, that means it's a new moon. If it's clear, then it's a full moon. Think of it like the darker the display is, the less moon you see. This is all detailed in the manual if what I'm saying isn't making any sense, so don't worry. I can't verify for sure how accurate this fishing level indicator is, but it does seem to line up with a rising tide. You of course have to set your local time zone so that the watch can accurately understand where you are in the world and thus change that fishing value depending on the tide times. I'm not into fishing myself, but I think it's pretty neat. Although I can imagine wearing this around town and seeing a full fishing value and just being frustrated that you're not out on the water. Anyway, a cool little feature you've probably already noticed by now is the digital clock found up the top left quadrant of the dial. I really like this addition. I think it gives off a real retro vibe, especially with the green coloured face. Just going over some dimensions, and this is a larger than average watch with a lug-to-lug of 54.5mm and a width of 50.1mm. Thickness measures in at 16.8mm, but it's very lightweight at only 58 grams. 100-meter water resistance, obviously, and of course all of your favorite digital Casio features like daily alarms and an automatic calendar. The LED light is a nice strong orange, and overall this is a handy little watch. If you're looking for a good digital watch, Casio is the brand to browse. So have a look online at watchdepot.com.au by clicking the link in the description. You can find this watch in the description too, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more watch content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.